Alright guys, so I went on a ride today to Skyline Drive. I think my microphone's clipping here. I'm having to do a voiceover because the GoPro failed me today. And I'm sure it's not the GoPro. I'm sure that it's me not checking to make sure that daggum GoPro mic adapter wasn't plugged in properly, or I had an external power plugged into the GoPro mic adapter. Sometimes I think that screws up the settings as far as where it selects for a microphone. I don't know, but I got to look into it. So I'm doing a voiceover. What I'm doing here, I got on the interstate to prove that I do know that KLR will go in excess of 70 miles an hour. So I jumped on I-95 northbound at about the exit 104, and I'm driving all the way up to exit 130, and I'm going to get off on Route 3 and head to Culpeper, and then on past Berryville and get on Skyline Drive, and head towards Front Royal. So look, whoa, I got up to 77 miles an hour just then, so let's just see how fast I get it up to.
Alright guys, we are on Skyline Drive. I did not record going through the gate because I wasn't able to get my finger on the GoPro button in time, but it's okay. And I will tell you, veterans out there, if you have at least, I think it's at least 10% disability, you can get a lifetime national park pass. It only covers like parking and entrance fees and stuff like that. You're not going to get like free camping or anything, but I will tell you, I rolled through there and I've got my national park pass under the clear thing here in my tank bag, and I showed it to her and she just waved me on through. So, you know, you spend some time in the military, you got disabled for whatever reason, you should take advantage of anything that this country tries to give back to us. You know, I don't think we're deserving of a hero's welcome everywhere we go, but definitely little quirks like that are worth it. This is a beautiful road. It feels great up here too, temperature-wise. And I need to. The speed limit's only 35, and I know people fly through these things, but I'm not like that. So I'm trying to keep my speed down. I don't want to get a ticket in National Park. You know what I'm saying? So. When I get to an overlook, I will definitely get out and see if I can get a photo. Like, here's one right here. I need a break anyway.
Okay, enjoyed this hyperlapse to the end of my ride, and at the end of this little downhill twisty section, I'll put up a few of the pictures that I took while I was out. Again, apologize for the voiceover, but you know what? It's all I can do, man. Hope everybody's having a safe weekend, and I will talk to you guys again very soon, later on.
What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.